Network Entertainment.
Spit Manila! Hi everyone, welcome to an episode of Tawalets with Spit. Today we have me, Aaron,
Missy.
Ding dong.
Angelica.
and we're going to be talking about something that we heard people want to know about, which is the origins of the games that we play. And it's nice because the four of us are from different batches coming into Spit. So Ding Dong is the first batch, Missy is the 1.5. Dalawa lang kayo eh. 1.5, I was 2, and you are 4 or 5. I'm not sure.
Parang 4.
But Thea was a separate batch
that's
on her
right.
own. Teresa was a separate batch on her own.
Sila yung Stradlers na 3.
Yes. Yeah, so all of us kind of have different ideas on the game origins. And we heard people kind of want to know about the ones that are in Tagalog because that feels like those are the ones that are more ours. So what do we want to talk about first? Ikaw? That's the most famous
Yes.
one.
Can I just prelude it with a whole... The Philippines has its own improv practice. Even before the Americans came in, even like it predates talaga. There's always been that improvisational element to
In performance.
in performance, in our dances, in our games. I mean, games always have that, diba? But our performativity has a lot of improv embedded in it. A lot of structure came in when the colonizers came in also, but there was still an element of play.
Can you give an example of the historical
So, for
pre-colonial
example,
improv?
ang alam ko is there is a maestro or a master who would teach the blocking and the gestures, right? And the apprentice, the performer on stage, would start to copy as per, right? As per the teaching of the maestro or the master. And then, I'm not sure if I have the Filipino terms correct, but anyway, then there would be a pusong or a clown or someone who would break the fourth wall to make a commentary on what's happening.
Oh, and this was improvised.
This was improvised, completely improvised, would challenge the structure, would challenge the whole thing. So there was that. And then there was duplo, there was this where they would rhyme with each other and balagtasan, yung things like that. There was all those wonderful elements of doing things on the spot and being very witty in Filipino.
Yung balagtasan, improv naman yun na parang flip-top.
Flip-top.
Pero may tono, may ganun, sagutan.
Yeah.
So while we did learn a lot of our games from people who have been in improv longer, right, who may come from different regions of the planet.
Totoo.
Yeah, it's what I love about what we do with those games is how we make it our own.
Yeah, and I think what I like about that is also watching other countries do improv. There are some that also do the same thing that we do, which is take games and make it their own. Like I remember watching a Costa Rican group play an American game, but with magical realism, which is something culturally there. So I think almost every country gets to make an improv game their own. So for us, let's start with Ikaw. And we talked about it over the break. The only one who really knows the origin of Ikaw is Angelica.
na I learned from Ding Dong.
Si Ding Dong po ang origin.
Which is,
Nang a lot of our games.
try that on for size.
Try that. Sila, yun, they learned it from somewhere, China or something. Tapos they brought it here. Tapos they were playing it. Tapos, ang haba kasi nung...
Try that on for
size. Parang, ano yun? Hindi ko nga masabi. Parang, and what does it mean even? Parang, sabihin mo na lang, ikaw.
Tsaka nakakabulol.
Di ba? Parang, nagluto ko, ikaw. Di ba? Ang dali-dali. Parang, try it on for size. I'm cooking.
Even what are you doing right? Even what are you doing? It's just so long. What are you
What
doing?
are you doing?
Kaya ginawa
Ikaw
na,
doon.
what you doing?
What you do?
What you doing?
What you do?
What doing?
But
Yun.
yeah.
So yun.
But that one, I think, we didn't come up with it. It's American.
Or Canadian?
Probably
Or, yeah.
American.
Or they popularized.
Maybe the reason why it's so long, try it on first size, gives the other person time to
To
think.
think.
And I think
Try.
It's parang, it's an English expression.
That's
Parang
true
siguro.
naman. That's true. I'm just being
Wala lang
facetious.
talagang, hindi siya natural sa Pilipinas. Tapos lahat naman halos ng games ng Spit may ganun, may tweak. Like the Oracle, it's 300 expert na matagal nang ginagawa sa Whose Line Is It Anyway? And ganun. So we were trying it nung start. Before, expert talaga siya.
As an expert.
As an expert. Tapos,
And then we would even ask the audience,
for a
what's
field
the
of expertise, ganun. Tapos ganun siya.
Ah.
Tapos nung ginawa ng tatlong bading ng Spit, gawin natin manghuhula. Tapos, mas patok si manghuhula.
Yes.
Kasi parang ang intro pa nun, oy, galing sa Quiapo, ganun. May bisita galing sa Quiapo. Tapos yun, since nun, minsan, both games nilalaro ng Spit. So, may expert, tapos pag may expert na walang Oracle, parang mas benta talaga si Oracle. So, hinahanap pa ng tao, pag may corporate shows, nandun ba si Madam Oracle? Ganun agad.
Oh, even in 2002?
Even before, yeah.
Oh.
So, si Tommy, yung one of the original heads, sastre. So, gumawa siya ng costume.
It was Tommy.
So, the first ever outfit ng Oracle from Tommy Alvarado design.
alin yung purple.
Maraming ng versions ng dati. Meron pa kaming parang flag of the Philippines na gano'n, red na may stars and blue. Na, ganun.
You even had the Cebu Pacific costume.
Yung Cebu Pacific, pinagawa ng Cebu Pacific yon for the flight. Kasi alam nilang, request din yun na basta sasakay si Oracle sa aeroplano tapos magtatanong ng Tapos, akala namin ibibigay niya yung costume kasi hindi nila magagamit yun. They kept it.
Oh, interesting. Cebu pa? Interesting. What are you using that for now, ha?
Tell us. I think we should use it again. Fly us all over the Philippines. Let's have shows all over the Philippines. Wow!
Wow. And that was so nice. I remember that actually when Madame Oracle was on a Cebu Pacific flight and that video came out. Patok kayo sa air.
Ang hirap lang kasi bawal mag-mic. So yung telepono ng gano'n, di ba yung this is your channel speaking, gano'n. So pasapasa kaming tatlo, gano'n. Ang hirap.
Tapos hindi pa yun clear. Sure, Captain.
At least hindi yung oxygen. So that's where ikaw came from and Madame Oracle.
Yes. And then yung beauty contest is from the game Paper Trail, which is like, again, a very common scene game.
It started as a scene game.
Scene game talaga siya yung ganun.
Parang the buzz,
Oh,
right?
the
Buzz is a paper trail kind of
Yun,
game.
our version was the buzz. Kasi yung paper trail, ikakalat mo sa floor, di ba? Tapos kukuha anytime.
Ano yung nakakalat sa floor? Pieces of paper with lines in them. Sometimes it's song lines.
Ang din yun, we decided to ask for song lines. In other countries kasi, they usually ask for movie lines or a statement or a motto.
Proverb.
Ang hirap mag-isip.
Totoo.
Pinoy, hindi mo papag-isip ng ganon. So, song lines na lang.
Hindi, no. Pag sinabi namin yun, kasi i-overthink nila.
Oo. So, ang ngayon nga lang, song lines, nag-google pa ng lyrics yung
Correct.
mga tao, di ba?
Because they wanna be funny?
Pero at least, mas madaling, dati kasi sinasabi, write the line from your favorite song. So, alam mo na agad, meron ka na sa agad. Tapos, so mas madali siya. So, yung ask for was also a spit thing na song lines na lang para madali. Tapos tayo na bahala mag-adjust, gawin na natin siyang statement. Tapos, kasi usually questions yung nilalagay if yun. Ang hirap puro questions. Anyway, so yun. Tapos, ayaw lang namin na yung pick up anytime kasi ikaw yung magsiset up. So gusto
There's so much control on your end.
So ang challenge was there's a third player who will buzz. And then when I buzz, kailangan mong kumuha.
You have to.
You have to and then get. So parang may ganong element. So yun yung ginagawa namin.
the buzz.
Sa buzz. Oo. Tapos to train kasi usually naglalaro dun sila Bipsy sila Gabe yung mga ganun. So sige pang-practice tayo. Practice yung beauty contest.
Wow!
Question
Practice
and
pa
answer.
pala si beauty contest.
So
I would
that
do buzz
so
over
we-
beauty contest any day.
So we get used to using the song lines and incorporating it in our lines.
So hard.
Tapos, parang, kasi mahilig naman ang Pinoy sa beauty contest, so gawin na natin beauty contest question and answer portion. Tapos parang, mas mabenta siya. At saka totally different art form na siya. Parang naging talking head na siya from a scene game. So, So, we kept it na, parang gano'n. Tapos naging, isa na rin siya sa hinihingi ng audience.
So there's no actual beauty contest type of that game. It was
No.
we made
Not
it.
that I know of.
Spit made it.
We talaga sumali.
Spit made it from the
From experience,
from
trial and error. I think a lot of people don't know that for the first few years of Spit, we were really doing everything based on trial and error. So a lot of the things that we do now are because we've made mistakes in the past.
over 23 years.
Over 23 years, this didn't work. So now we found something that works and we're tweaking
Kasi when we
that.
started, wala naman kaming teacher.
Oo.
Self-taught.
Gabe.
Si Gabe lang, tapos tinuro niya, from natutunan niya sa States, tinuro niya. Pero kahit siya, hindi rin, parang ine-echo niya lang, ay, ganito yung ginawa namin, ganyan. Tapos,
And all of you were performers, diba? All of you were in the industry already, more or less.
Theater, more or less. So parang, ano talaga siya, parang self-taught, parang, ganito na lang. Tapos so pag hindi nag-work, napanood namin sa Whose Line, uy, gawin natin yan. Yan. So, bakit hindi siya nakakatawa pag tayo gumawa? Gawin natin to, tapos binago-bago hanggang, ganito na siya.
So it's really a cultural adaptation.
Kasi minsan nga,
thing.
nakakatawa siya if you watch it sa iba, pero pag tayo na parang,
Kasi the sense of humor is
oo,
different.
tsaka hindi ako makarelate. So parang,
Context din ng mga Filipinos.
And the performativity, we wear our hearts on our sleeves, diba? We're very punny.
I remember naabutan ko pa yung time when Spit kind of decided, hindi tayo pang long form. Remember that?
What?
Yeah.
ano yun? Ay, may controversial. Matagal na
I
yung
love
gusto
long
ng mag-long form. But a teacher, na Pinoy teacher who studied abroad, sabi niya, I don't think the Filipino audience would appreciate long form. Parang they're not ready for it.
I remember this.
So, parang kami, okay, binabasa namin yung Harold, parang, hindi ko siya maintindihan? Kasi syempre may ganun.
And if you read it,
Diba? From the book lang kasi, so parang yung gagawa ka ng game, ano itong palit-palit tayo. So parang, sige, wag na nga.
Kaya naman pala nasabi niyang the Filipino is not ready for long form.
Kaya parang-
But their long form,
Oo,
right?
yung Harold.
But not the concept of long
So,
form.
kaya gumawa kami ng masarili namin.
Such as,
Ding dang, death is at the door. Pero before that, actually, ginawa na namin yung sa eskwela.
yes, I
at saka yung
remember.
one word, 7 minutes.
Later pa yan.
That was
Later pa
after
ba
the
yun?
school opened na.
I see.
Sa ano na yun? Si 1 word 7 minutes sa commune na yun.
And parang I think we did that to introduce the students to mid-form.
Long form.
Yung parang,
Oo.
okay, let's make it a
And to
little
help
longer.
us, actually, we did that. Si Happy yun si 1 word 7 minutes. Kasi, hirap na hirap tayo mag-edit ng long form. So, ginawa natin, kailangan in 7 minutes may maggawa ka ng maraming eksena. So, kaya, sige, pasok lang ng pasok para to practice.
Parang
For this-
exercise.
Exercise din siya.
For the sake of our friends who do not know what an edit is, kindly explain.
So, yeah, like,
So a long form is a longer game with a singular prompt. Right?
it's parang one-act play.
Oo. It still has structure, like the short. Kasi yung short forms, mga 1-2 minutes lang yan.
Yeah.
There's one prompt, there's a structure to the game, it's done.
Yes.
Right? Long form is a series of scenes and games within those scenes. Diba? And parang it lasts anywhere between 10 to 30 minutes. Right? And that one singular prompt is what will be used throughout the entire thread. And because there are a series of scenes, we don't and it's discovered in real time. We don't know when it'll end or how it will start necessarily. So people, when they get, or the players, when they get inspired by what's happening, they have to come in and swipe. Like they have to cross and take over the scene. And the people who were currently in, who were crossed, will have to step out. So that's what you call an edit.
Yes.
Right? So yung
others,
pakiramdaman, bonggang pakiramdaman.
And that's also, it's a skill that even we needed to develop because sometimes you don't know when a scene is over and when it when
getting
it
too
goes too long, you can tell people are suffering. Wala na akong masabi.
Masaya din niya.
I think at this point, we've learned also not to suffer anymore. So,
Too much.
okay na rin.
I think a little
Minsan nga,
suffering is okay.
sobrang bilis na nung buzz. Kaka-warm up pa lang namin. Nakapos na agad.
So Ding Dong Death is at the door. How did you come up with that?
Ayun, that came up later na nung sa Magnet.
CCP.
Magnet na yun.
Magnet ba yun?
Magnet
Katipunan.
Nung kasi
Yes,
di ba,
nung naghubad si Maliksi.
Nung twice a week na kasi tayo ng show, Magnet
Tuesday,
Katipunan
Thursdays.
on Tuesdays, tas Thursdays in High Street.
Yeah.
So to make it more interesting, yung Tuesdays, ginawang may theme every. First Tuesday
Oh my
was
God, do you
all
remember
boys.
Goga?
Yeah.
All boys night, so hotdog fest. Tapos Goga, pag second, all girls. Tapos third
Girl and
was
girl action.
long form. Tapos fourth was experimental. And so nag-all boys na, Tapos magsa-third week na, wala pa rin mangyayari. Hindi pa alam ko anong mangyayari sa next week. So Tuesday na yun. So that nung Monday, nagpa-meeting na sa bahay ni Gabe. Anong gagawin natin bukas? Ganito. Tapos kinento ko
Sabi
lang
ni
siya.
Ding Dong, death is at
So,
the door.
inspired siya by Agatha Christie's 10 Little Indians na ginawa ko nung bata pa ako na play. Tapos yun, ano lang siya, actually, nabuo siya habang nakaupo ako sa Unidor. Tapos, ano bang gagawin ko?
That is actually Ding Dong's
chair.
Literal lahat
magic
tumatay ng
chair.
ideas. Ganun. Tapos, ganun. Tapos yun, kasi gusto ko na makalaro lahat. Tapos, may characters, ganun. Tapos anong kwento? Tapos yun. So naisip ko na, sige, bubunot na lang yung pangalan. Tapos pag nabunot yung pangalan mo, patay ka na hanggang maubos. Tapos justify na lang ng killer kung paano. So basic yung structure ng ganun. Yun. Sa play kasi, ano siya. So,
Tapos may singing
strangers.
pa.
Well, yung singing, ginawa na lang siya parang, kasi ang hirap.
Patute ba yun?
How do we end it? Na parang, di ba parang kailangan bongga? Tapos yung ano din, parang ang hirap ng recap kasi ang dami nang namatay. Parang paano mo alalahanin lahat yun? Kantahin na lang natin. Kasi may pepe tayo noon sa automatic may
Yes.
music. Pero yung very first na ginawa yun sa
Magnet.
Magnet, walang rehearsal. Pinag-usapan lang
Yeah.
before the show na,
It was me and
ganito
Joel.
ikaw Joel, si Rodel, nag-leave na siya noon. Pinabalik ko siya. Kailangan, ikaw yung caretaker.
Parang naiwan kami gano'n ni Joel, tapos binaril niya yung sarili niya or something. Iniwan niya ako.
mean-
Sabi, oh no, what do I do?
Tapos, kaya siya naging Pat Island kasi nung time na yun, yung buong Magnet, may buhangin yung floor.
Kaya tayo nakabikini sa Goga.
Nakasand, o di magchinelas tayo, maka-beach tayo. So parang naging ganun siya. Naging
But we haven't
beach.
played.
Art exhibit
Have you played
yun,
that
by the
already?
way.
Yeah, that's true.
Pat
You've played-
Island?
Oo, Pat
Not
Island.
yet. Yung di
Nung ito lang.
Well,
yung
well,
last
well.
time.
I think we
Nagawa
should...
niya nung last.
Pero ang ginagawa namin, naalala ko si na and Carl, ginawa namin siyang Love Island.
Oh.
Parang,
Paano kayo na-eliminate?
parang may isang person na matatanggal each week. Tapos yung last
Parang reality TV.
reality.
Cute.
Na dating.
Tapos yung last sila yung magiging couple.
Ang cute. Tapos another long form was when you guys expanded beauty contest, di ba?
Oo.
To
Yes.
show the...
So usually naman pag ganun, pag may need, for example, yung sa eskwela, yun yung una kasi. National Theater Festival, tas yung theme was Philippine Musical Theater. So sinabi ng CCP, gawa kayo ng show ha. So, tas basta musical theater yung theme ng buong festival. So gumawa sige musical. Tapos paalis na yun sila papuntang States. Yung kalahati ng split kasi sila lang yung may visa, yung kalahati na iwan.
Ito, anong year to?
2004.
2004.
Baby pa to.
Pinanganak ka na, no?
Pinanganak niya?
2004. So, paalis na sila, tapos kailangan lang namin ng title kasi hinihingi na ng CCP, kailangan ng title. So, ano ba musical? Sasabi niya akong, Sarsuela, di ba Sarsuela? So, Sarsuela ang kwela. Sarskwela. So, title lang binigay namin, tapos an improvised Sarsuela. Malay ko ba ano Sarsuela? So, habang nandun sila sa Amerika, nag-research ako kung ano bang meron sa Sarsuela na pwede kong gawing improv. Tapos, so yun, nag-improvise kami ng Sarsuela. And ginawa
So
siya.
brilliant ka lang talaga.
Didn't you do Sarsuela again in Maybank?
Yeah, pero nag-evolve na siya ng bagong form. Dati kasi iba talaga yung parang, kasi na Sarsuela, may usually 5 acts siya. So, ginawa namin 5 scenes. Tapos, in every scene may nangyayari. Tapos, laging may, usually love story na set in the war kasi may kalaban kang something na dayuhan.
Tsaka si girl is usually
Basta rich boy, poor girl, or gano'n.
manifesting motherland.
Oo.
Tapos the boy has to fight for her
So, parang,
against the other manliligaw who is the foreign.
Dayuhan. Very Pocahontas.
so parang, tas
Except
may
the
mayaman, may
dark
pulubi, may magkanan, tas mga forbidden love, kasi parang ganon. So maraming ask for yon kasi kailangan ng maraming elements. Tapos yung ginawa namin siya, isa CCP yun. Kakatapos lang nung buong controversy ng mga Miss Saigon, gano'n. Kasi
Alam niyo naman
oo.
kami, masarap naming
So,
laruin
ang nangyaring
controversy.
kwento, ang nilabas, hindi ko na maalala kung mga ask for. Basta, nangyari, si Karel yung lead eh. So, si Karel. Gusto niya mag-audition sa Miss Saigon. Tapos di siya natanggap. So, nagwala yung guy. Kasi si Gabe, nagwala siya. Kasi bakit niya hindi tinanggap? So, nakulong siya. So, kasi kailangan ma-separate sila eh. So, kailangan mahiwalay sila. Tapos magtatagpo sila ulit in the end. Parang ganun. So, basta parang ganun. So, syempre tuwang-tuwa yung mga yung mga cultural people. Kasi, ayun. Just never na naulit.
Well, we should go back and explore it. And that's actually how we create new games, when we jam, when we hang out together to purposefully jam and just play and brainstorm.
Depende sa theme. For example, yung beauty contest, yung beauty na long form, kasi national MIF.
Yes.
Manila Improv Fest. Tapos, kailangan iba naman yung gawin natin. kasi every year dapat iba yung ginagawa. So, si Ariel naman yung sige gawin natin long form yung beauty since paborito naman siyang lahat.
Tsaka yung sa UP Film Center, we turned it into a film thing after we performed in Shangri-La.
That was
With
so
the
much
cinema.
fun.
Right.
Kasi parang film siya, so anong pwede natin gawin kasi film center siya, so parang ganun.
And that was an expansion of, because we were in Shangri-La for MIF, we were in a movie house.
Sa circuit kasi yun.
Circuit ba yun?
Ayala yun. MIF.
No. You know what? My brain is gone. I don't know where I am. Where are we? No, but
Yung sa
basta we were in a
MIF,
cinema.
sa circuit cinema kasi
cinema.
siya. So
That's
parang,
right.
gamitin natin yung sinehan.
awards night.
Kaya awards
Naging film,
night.
awards night.
Tapos in-expand dun
Dun
sa
sa
film
UP Film
center.
Naging thesis.
Naging thesis.
Gosh, where's my brain?
Good
Gone.
morning.
Good morning.
Meron ba kayong games before na formulate nyo na parang either gusto nyong laruin ng current composition ng spit or ayaw nyo nang laruin?
I want the current composition of Spit to play everything.
Oo.
Ano yun?
We'll do
Sobrang iba.
so good in everything, for
Everything.
sure.
Yung pangalan.
What I noticed about Spit, parang it also evolves, not just with the players, but with and not just with the kind of playing, but with the sense of humor, I think. Because kind of my sense of humor naman talaga evolves, right? And personalities evolve and identities evolve. So it's nice to see how the younger generations would actually take it. And when you guys bring in new games, actually nakakatuwa kasi kaming mga Thunderscuts, parang and ako, I don't know about Dingno, I feel like my playing also evolves. And
Absolutely. I mean, that one game, Spit has never played this game until the new players came in. Weekend at Bernie's. We never played this.
so much.
Because I don't know why, I've never heard of this game actually. And Weekend at Bernie's is an American film, which I've never seen also.
Essentially, there's this dead guy who they have to get from point A to point Z.
And they pretend he's alive.
And they have to pretend he's alive. And from every single letter, every single moment that happens in the film, parang
Bubuhatin mo siya, parang
bubuhatin mo siya, you're gonna make him look like he's, functioning. So, yung game is about all these players doing a scene, may magiging Bernie.
Yeah.
And then the scene has to happen again. But the rest of the alive cast will have to make that Bernie character move.
Yes, and it's essentially a memorization game. You have to remember
Scene
scene game.
It's not very physical.
A
Very
physical challenge because you have
physical.
to carry the person.
In fact, Bibay refuses to play it.
Because, accessibility
Kaya
skills.
talaga, minessage ako ni Papo, sure kayo lalagyan mo si Bibay dito.
At saka si Bibay mismo, mag-beauty contest na lang ako.
Siya nakakatuwa our games kasi there are different kinds of games. There's the talking heads.
Yes.
There's the scene game.
Guessing
There's the
game.
guessing game. There's the physical challenge. And dami pa eh. But anyway, top of mind right now are those four. And each of us has our preference, where our strengths lie or where our not so strong points.
What's your preference?
I like scene games. And
yes.
second siguro yung guessing games. Ang pinaka hindi ko minsan ay physical and singing just because hindi ko pa siya masyadong napapractice. And ito, before ako umalis papuntang States, I remember we were playing. angst choir. Pagbalik ko, angst rap. Asan galing?
So Angst Choir, for the people listening, is 4 people come up. They're given a topic and they have to rant. Yes, they're given a topic each and they have to rant about that topic for as long as they can.
Being conducted by Ding Dong.
Being conducted by Ding Dong. So you just keep ranting. So ayun, naging angst rap because you're ranting
yung
about
choir
it.
naman hindi rin original yun. Kinopy natin yun sa Hong Kong.
Correct. They did that in the Manila Improv Fest. Sabi na,
But it's kind of like a variation of yung nouns, and then may choral storytelling,
story.
and then
Conducted story.
conducted story where Ding Dong points a person, they tell the story, they try to hit the nouns and incorporate it into the story, and then when Ding Dong points another person, diba? Tuloy yung kwento as if walang break. So from there, naging rap choir, angst choir siya, where each person will start angsting, tapos pag tinuro ni Ding Dong yung isang person, siya rin mag-angst, right? And inaangat baba ni Ding Dong yung...
Pero angst rap, wala na. Ayan na yan.
Sino ba nagdala ng rap kasi si Aaron from
Sino
New York?
gumawa ng track?
And where did you, how did you get inspired with the rap? in the
I
first place?
actually, when I see improvised rap, I'm very, very impressed. So ever since. So I was thinking, kaya natin to. Spit ka to. Come
But
on.
when was that moment of,
When I did musical improv in New York and I saw that they were rapping and I was like, American rap sounds okay, but Tagalog rap sounds even better. So I decided to, when I saw people rapping on stage, I was like, okay, this is great. We can do this. We can do this. So I wanted everybody to get to practice that. And now we're doing it on the daily, on the regular. Diba? Kara! Shout out to Kara! Hey,
here? Kasi singing na nga is hard.
rapping
Rapping pa. Pucha naman eh.
Ganto na lang, Missy. If Kara can have the confidence,
Yes.
I think you'll be fine.
And that's, leaning into what you fear is very, very important, I think. And we espouse that.
Bucon.
Oh my God, that's my biggest fear.
Why is that? Why is that your biggest fear? When you're like the prettiest girl.
That has
ever.
nothing to do. Yes,
That's true.
That has nothing to do.
That's why.
Because it's a punchline heavy game, and I don't think I'm very good at punchline, I just don't
Maybe it's because
enjoy
we
it.
think it's a punchline game when in fact
Well,
they're just
yeah.
rambling. Can you tell us?
Kasi it evolved na to that. Kaya nga I don't wanna play it.
Ikaw rin pa.
Kaya ayaw kong hibiting. Kasi naging about, about winning and about being funny, about rather than being clever as how you use the line.
I think mas nalaro ko na siya nung instead of the song lines, naging noun.
Kasi palusot, kailangan mo talaga siyang justify.
And the nouns happened
Wala lang.
because we were, how did that happen again? Recently lang yun, di ba?
Sa ano lang
swapped.
this year. Sa halakakan na yun.
Sa meeting the
Kasi parang mara lang maiba siya ng konti instead of lines, words na lang.
It's like the noun list in conducted story, but instead of
Na yung conducted story din, ano talaga siya, lumang game yun. Pero nung laro namin, parang, sige, masyado siyang madali. Dagdagan natin ng element of hirap. Mag-ask for
So
10
conducted
words.
story was also spit.
Yung the 10
innovated.
words. Yeah, the 10 words. Tapos meron pang bago, minsan by genre, may genre per person. So pag ganun sa'yo, nagiging horror. Pag punta sa akin, nagiging romance. Ganun. Pero masyado siya mahirap tandaan, so nawala na yun.
How about, there's just one, shucks, I just thought of it. This one game, you know what, later. Limutan ko eh.
Now that you said that though, I think a genre conducted would work.
Let's try it again. Kasi
Yeah.
baka naman nakakalimutan siya kasi tumatanda na yung members.
Ayun. Ano pa?
Eh si Thea nagko-cordyceps, so
Yes.
Oh.
her brain will always be active.
Well, obviously my brain is not.
ang umaga pa kasi. Ang gusto ko din i-try is yung musicals.
Yes.
Na
We haven't
long-form
done that
musical.
Oh
in a
my gosh,
really
you know
long
what they would
time.
do before?
Hey, his name is Chico Garcia,
And his name is Gino Killiamore.
and together we are Only Fun.
That's right, for only $12 a month.
Ah. But if you're willing to pay, why not? No, we're from a podcast that talks about movies, TV shows. Basically, we do reviews of K-dramas, whatever is on streaming, whatever is on cinemas. We also get to occasionally interview celebrities, actors,
Directors. And of course, infused with our own witty brand of humor and slice of life.
Wow. I guess we don't infuse a lot.
Check it out.
They would interview couples. Like what we do now, except now it's just a scene, right?
Yes. We did that with Mary Jo and Bongo Ferrara.
Happy's parents. So they would interview this couple. They would, as in thorough interview. Hindi lang ngayon na where did you meet? What was your first date? What did you like about each other? Hindi na ganon. Talagang, as in intrusive kind of like
Correct,
interview. And then they would make a full story, a full musical using those. Oh my gosh, the songs are improvised.
Tapos ano yun, kasi yung structure ng musical, si Ari na nagturo yun at sila Carl later na yun. Before, walang
structure.
Walang structure. So talagang pakiramdaman kahit si Pepe, chorus na ba to? Ano na ba to?
And the thing is, we would hardly have choruses. Kasi parang spoken, lang siya,
Pero hindi,
conversational.
nung before kasi,
Before, the old spit.
It helped na si Joel, Karel, and the old
Gabe,
spit
Ding
kasi
Dong, they
we're
were all
all
musical
theater
theater
people. So may concept agad of musical. So very Broadway-ish on the thing.
Yes.
May opening number agad, may gano'n na agad na. Tapos may counterpoint, may duets na, pero nasa ibang mundo sila. Mga ganun, nangyayari siya, natural siya. I mean, na hindi sinadya. Parang ganun.
Gets.
Na,
Kasi
na hindi
yung talagang
pinactice. Kasi
embodied na sa kanila yung musical.
Inclination
parang
na.
automatic sa kanilang mag-blending. Sagutan, ang ganda.
Ay, bakit ganyan ko rumiact as if naman hindi ikaw yung nang-blending?
Ayun,
And
so,
then, nung dumating na yung mga non-musical theater actors, na itutulak nila into the scene, i-rap, kunyari, pero hindi rap, yung spoken word na lang yung...
Gets naman,
Tapos
gets.
hanggang sa, parang the musical theater people started retiring from Spit.
Yes.
And then you came in with the structure of what is a musical.
Yes. And I think that really helped everyone with the songs, how to come up with a chorus and stuff like that. So,
And
it was
then,
fun.
parang we incorporated that into like Harold. Tapos nag-iiba na rin yung long form playing from what we saw or tried to learn and resisted maybe because that's not endemic intrinsic or natural to us, to something that was more resonant, yung random singing,
Yeah.
yung biglang magiging chaotic yung structure, like a typhoon suddenly comes in.
Minsan
Which
nga
is
kahit
regular.
mga short form scenes, bigla na lang kumakanta.
Basta may pumasok na music. Shout out to Cara again.
And yung song structure, nakatulong siya hindi lang sa long form kasi na-apply din na siya like sa harana.
That's right. Yes, I love Harana. Okay, I have a question. Where did that game, the one I played yesterday, start? Yung
The
COC.
filing.
yes, yung nagpa-file for, kasi there was a salakakan that we were gonna do, which is for the elections,
Yes.
right? Like essentially be a responsible voter.
Yes. It was
Do
an
your
election
research,
themed.
vote, ganyan. So we incorporated that into, and so this person comes in and starts filing for a candidate.
So it's a guessing game. Actually, the way this came about was Happy was here for a while and she workshopped the entire Spit to come up with new games. So it was this program where she said, think of a game that's already familiar to you and what elements of it can you change to fit into the theme that we're trying to portray.
Kumbaga, yung ginagawa nila automatically,
Yes.
sinestematize
Yes.
ng mga bagets.
Correct. Because we need that.
We need systems.
Yeah, we're
so
not
that,
all
Pero
geniuses.
maganda din
Like
naman
Ding
yung structure niya was to, find,
Elements.
parang
may
sinulat
term
niya kasi
siya
iba't ibang games eh. Song games, scene games,
yes.
Tapos
talking
yung,
heads.
yung source material mo or source something.
Parang context ng Filipino culture na gusto mong isama dun sa game.
So not just what the game is and how you're gonna change
Yeah.
it, but what element of our Filipino culture can we infuse into it.
And ang fun nun kasi nag-break out groups tayo. Tapos yung mga games na present natin per group, parang iba-iba rin. Like meron yung mga radio DJ, tapos pero eventually yun yung napili natin din na game for
Matt.
Yeah.
And the thing is,
And
it
that
was
wasn't
supposed to be a little controversial
because
because
yeah.
we decided to change elements of it because the original version was to highlight corruption in the country. But we don't want to highlight that.
Because it might be spin that it's normalized,
Yes.
or something that we condone, which we do not.
Yes. So we changed it. So the gist of the game is it's a guessing game. One person is sent out of the room, and then we and the audience know a famous person that the one who's guessing is applying for what?
Candidacy.
Business permit.
And then-
Yeah, business permit. So it's a famous person. What's the second
hobby.
one? A hobby. They have to
Which
guess.
is an advocacy.
Yeah,
Or the
advocacy.
business.
Magiging business.
Yeah.
About deciding business.
And then the third is they have to do a
Physical-
physical
physical
movement.
And this actually reminds me of the ano yun, yung LCD location,
Character death weapon,
weapon.
yeah.
It also reminds me of
Why Are You Late?
Why Are You Late? A lot of
And
guessing
then
games.
yung purpose-driven life. So parang pinagsama siyang tatlong games.
Yes.
Na may hula-hula.
And where are these games from? Yung
From the International Book of Improv. Meron di ba parang book
Yeah.
encyclopedia na nandun lahat ng games.
Oh, yeah.
Na free,
Online.
ano naman siya, free material for everyone. So,
and that's why we're also like this with our games because
Yeah.
who are we to gatekeep?
Yes.
Siya confident naman na yung playing namin is exceptional. No, 'di ba? Parang basketball. 'Di ba?
Yes.
Why are you gonna gatekeep basketball? Anyone and all the kids should be able to play it because it develops certain skills and certain, soft skills also, like being able to listen, being able to play with different kinds of people. 'Di ba?
And again, that's what we wanted to do in the first place. Our vision was to have more people get into improv.
So yeah, no, parang the whole idea of making sure that our games are helpful or our games are enlightening and really push us, at least as players with each other, to explore different aspects of these topics. Diba? Parang that's why we also had a situationer. We also had like all of these current events kind of
We
conversations.
study for our shows, ha?
oo.
FYI, we
Kami
study for
basta-basta.
it. Yeah.
Hindi kasi sinasabi na parang ang tataba ng utak, ang talino. Kasi nag-aaral kami.
Yes.
Magwo-werewolf kami for Ding Dong Debes.
Yeah, we do research and development, all of these things.
Oo. And then kailangan mo magbasa ng news, to be aware of what's happening kasi.
And discuss it with each other. Na parang what are your different takes on it? What are your different
Kasi kung ano yung
where's your stand?
uso ngayon, yun yung lalabas na suggestion.
Yeah.
So, kailangan aware talaga.
Yeah.
Pero meron din minsan, sino yung si Ares na tinagot sa...
Oo, hindi ko rin alam
Kaplan
yun.
Ares.
Kaplan Ares. So apparently it's a show. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Hindi ko rin alam.
Actually, marami kasi yan sa yung good shorts, yung mga maikling sa
Facebook Reels.
Reels. Hindi, merong, para siyang app na may mga sobrang pangit ng sulat, sobrang pangit ng acting, pero I'm hooked.
It's like pimple popping.
Like Wattpad, di ba?
Parang ganun, very Wattpad type of writing yung script nila. Na talagang lagi siyang may mayaman, tapos kunwari hindi nila alam na mayaman siya.
So like general strokes of tropes and stereotypes.
Tapos ang very bad acting.
You gotta give some people a chance.
No, and it hooked Ding Dong. So, I mean, there's
Kasi
a market for
nagbabayad
it.
ako para lang matapos.
Wow!
Kasi may
Ding
bayad
dong,
yun.
pwede mo akong bayaran. I can do bad acting.
Good short.
I can give you a really bad story. Really bad acting. I'll do it.
Oh my gosh. I didn't know you were into that.
Oh no, alam nyo na yung next game po namin. Famas. How did Famas happen?
Ano yan? It's called the Academy Award. Parang gano'n naman siya. Award-winning moment.
It exists.
It exists. Tapos, kaya lang, wala namang Oscar. Oscar moment pala. Oscar moment. Wala namang Oscar sa Pilipinas. So, ginawa ng FAMAS.
Okay. Yun lang yun. There was no... Pero syempre yung acting ng Oscar moment, iba.
Basta
Or
ano lang
ganun
siya,
din sila,
basta
nag-e-explode.
Pag may music, OA, basta mahirap makita yung difference from pag may score to normal.
Dapat meron kang makita.
I think another game that we popularized is guessing game. But dun, dun.
Mama
Is
Fish.
that American?
The song is from my mama, Don't
My
Wear No
Mama
Socks.
Which is our warm-up song.
And that's a American tune.
May American game, iba yung kanta. Tapos, one
The do,
syllable
run,
word.
run. Ay, hindi.
One syllable word lang yung hinihingi nila. So,
Ingay?
one syllable word lang yung hinihingi.
Ah.
Kasi you have to rhyme with it So, parang ganun. Yung ginawa na... So,
Where's the challenge?
Where's the challenge? So, as in, hindi ko alam na naging 2 syllables na pala, tapos naging 3 syllables na pala yung word.
Yung polysyllabic na yung words na
Oo,
pinapakula
tapos
namin kay Ding
So,
Dong.
nag-iisip ako ng 1 syllable word, parang, hindi na to. Parang, anyway, eventually
Basta
na,
mahirap
parang
na
any word na siya. Oo. Tapos yung wala lang kami maisip na tono, kaya yung badam-dam
Badam-dam.
ginamit.
And why was it always you?
He's the brilliant one eh.
Totoo naman.
Tsaka he doesn't play any other game eh.
Oo nga.
Oo,
bakit
si
nga ba?
Ding Dong. If he can get away with not playing the show,
Oh, may oracle na, may
I'm actually so scared of guessing games.
Mas,
So,
kasi
to guess,
ako,
had to
ako
guess.
naman, pag yung sa song, mas madali, mas mahirap magbigay ng clue.
Mas madali magbigay ng clue.
Kasi kailangan may sense yung clue mo. Parang,
Hindi, okay lang sa akin, hindi
to
nagbibigay ng
parang,
sense.
Kung ako parang, so mas madaling manghula.
I
This is why we're
remember there
friends.
was one time, I remember that show where the word was Ayurveda. And I was like, I don't think he's gonna get this. Tapos nakuha, sabi ko, wow, I don't even know
And he
what
got it
is.
from? You know where he got it from?
Where?
Poveda. Parang someone had mentioned India.
Indian
Yun.
healing,
Oo.
Poveda, Ayurveda.
How do you even know that word?
Because, I like massage.
Dun sa shorts.
So, puno-puno siya
That
ng-
was the moment that I thought, kasi sabi ko before, I can do guessing game. And then when Ayurveda came out, I was
I
like,
cannot do it. Maybe when we get words, when other people start playing, yung mas bagay sa kanila. Kasi we also had Neighborhood, right? Where we would sing...
that's not ours.
That's not ours.
Plainly.
It's from Sesame Street.
Where we would sing a song from Sesame Street and we would sing about a character that the audience gave that we would sing about on the spot na the host will, well, Ding Dong, would throw the name at you a split second before you start singing about that
Yeah.
character. Diba? And I think we stopped doing that because, of course, we don't own the rights to use that song. And we want to respect intellectual property rights.
Yeah, we can make a new one when I have time.
Because Aaron is our DJ.
A composer.
Yeah.
How was, naman, reggae?
Ayun. Ano yun?
Kay Jay, diba?
Si Jay nagigitara. Gitara lang kasi dati ng original music.
Nung wala pa si Pepe.
Oo. Tapos, nag-beach kami. Oo. Tapos, naging jamming, lang siya sa beach. Uy, pwede natin gawin ito ba? Tapos, binuo na yung structure. Tapos, sige, ganyan. Tapos,
Yeah.
Siya na yung opening for
laging
Yeah.
opening na siya kasi.
And I remember when we performed in the Hong Kong Improv Fest, our very first improv festival, sobrang na-impress sila because we started with a song that we made everyone sing. So they were like, oh, yun pa lang, that's how we get the audience hooked because they have to sing.
Yeah.
So, yeah. The song games, I think, the Philippines is...
Kahit yung warm-up na ABC race is very spit.
Yes.
Kasi dati, ang hirap ng you can't go in cold kasi wala nakakaintindi ng improv sa audience. Ano to? Akala nila stand-up. So, kailangan talaga warm up na ask for, ganyan. Tapos bilang, so sige, mag-ano tayo. Name items under category from A to Z. Tapos yun yung naging warm up siya lagi na.
How about ABC Soap?
Ano na yan, matagal na yung game. Pero in the States,
In the States.
alphabet soup talaga siya. As in, you ask for a letter. J. So you start with J, you end with H-I-J-K-H-I. So it's the same 26 letters. So parang ulit-ulit na lang sasabihin ko kasi lang yung
And you can predict.
Oo. So, ginawa nating give us a long word.
So it's different pa rin. We still change
The long word is a spit thing. Kasi dati, yung A to Z lang talaga siya.
And yung soap opera na.
Pero soap scene talaga siya dapat. Oo.
And it has to be soap operatic.
Oo.
The one that I want to talk about is Eddie and the evolution of Eddie.
yeah.
Because that one really changed.
Yan.
So when Ding Dong and I were much younger,
Nah! 25 years ago.
25 years, more. Kasi grade 4 lang yata ako nalabas yung Ang TV eh. Grade 5. So, grade school kami.
I
Lumabas
was also a child.
super child.
High school na siguro
an egg.
ako.
High school ka na.
Ikaw,
grade
you were
school
a
ako
thought.
nun.
I was
Ano ka lang, a twinkle in your parents' eyes.
Yes.
Okay, and you were a babe.
I was a
so there was this TV show with young aspiring actors who they were soft launching. Doon galing si Jolina,
Curtis.
Sila galing doon,
Curtis.
sa
Okay.
TV.
Diba? Tas,
Antoinette Tos.
ang TV, alas 4 na, 4:30 na, ang TV na. Ganyan. And then and then they would do all these little skits, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos one of them was, Eddie yan. Tas,
Yung joke time, parang
Yeah.
joke time, gano'n.
They would do these punchlines and then yun talaga yung gesture. Ganyan. So anyway, I think we would hang out and then we would start.
Ganun lang din siya sa bahay ni Jay habang kumakain
Oo.
ng brownies.
Tapos yung with coffee. Tapos
Kasi nandun yung parents ng nanay niya, di ba? Yun.
so and then Eddie ganyan. Ano yung ganyan? Eddie.
Tapos
And then
naglaro lang kami.
why don't we turn this
Oo.
into a segment? Ganyan. But that was old Spit. And then sa new Spit, what I like about it is we started.
At hindi
it's
Eddie
gonna
yung
be-
pangalan nun dati. Parang, joke time, parang gano'n. Tapos, anong pangalan ng game ito? Eddie. Tapos naging Eddie na siya.
Tapos, ngayon, naggagatungan na tayo. Parang nagiging string of,
kwento na.
nagiging kwento na siya.
Kasi, diba, sige.
O si gano'n, naghiwalay na sila. O, gano'n.
I love that. And the thing is, naabutan ko yung original format, which was just ask for categories. And then it became repetitive because everyone would say
After- yeah.
cars,
Yeah.
Ulit-ulit na.
Parang
animals.
letter and then a word that starts with
That
that letter.
letter.
Yes. And I remember that was in my old house during, what's that when you turn off all the lights? Energy Day. No. What's it called?
Earth Day. When you turn off all the lights.
Turn off all the lights. Energy Day.
Blackout.
So I remember we were in my house on Earth Day. Tapos that's how we started yung give me a letter and a word that starts with a letter. So that's my core memory. And now it's become
Kung ano yung last joke. Yun na
yeah,
yung what
you
is-
get inspiration to get the next word, which is a challenge for also the host.
Yeah. And I think this is just indicative of also how long we've been together and how long we've been playing these games na parang we can't just keep on doing the same thing.
Yeah.
We have to make it new all the time. We have
And
to
even the ask for has to change kasi people keep giving us the same thing.
yeah.
Yeah,
And it's
like
not fun.
money. Money is the most like
And it's improvised, you know. So but we still get the same prompt sometimes.
sometimes.
Diba?
Pag wala
So-
ng choice.
And we have to find a way to make new jokes out of it. Diba?
I like that because yung mga bago natin ngayon, it's not even nouns anymore. Sometimes, diba, it's feelings. We get emotions. So the challenge becomes more, I don't know, more fun.
Siguro there's also a confidence in, sige nga, try tayo ng something out of our comfort zone.
Yung reggae dati, siya, ang usual ask for nun was...
What makes you happy?
happy?
And that's why.
That's why I was always,
Missy
my
will
name is
always
Missy. I'm very happy. That's it.
Your first two lines.
Always that. Because I was
Always.
like
What
busy
makes you
trying to
happy?
figure out. And kasi before, what would happen was, they would get all of these different words. Tapos, random na lang kung ano yung words na gagamitin ng anyone. Ngayon, we kind of like put a structure
It's
in
like
it
A
na.
to Z na. Dati kasi ibang game talaga yung race. Tapos ask for the song. So, ituhog na lang siya. So, for yun. So, A to F. Ganun
G to
na lang.
F.
So before ko, insecure pa ako nun. So parang, ang gagaling lang, mga musical theater silang lahat. Di pa ako makanta.
Ngayon pa nga lang
Hello,
na-
my name is Missy. I am so very happy. Done. Two lines done.
Ngayon pa nga lang na may assigned set of letters na pag nasabi na yung prompt sa letters mo, parang gaganon-ganon.
But you know, I really love that we did the A to F, G to L because although people think that it's easier because
It's hard.
it's harder
Because you have to connect those set of words in that short list.
And
Diba?
if you're A to F, good luck. That's a long time you're gonna be keeping those words. And you're getting suggestions, diba? So may bagong word.
Kasi wala na, nakalimutan ko na lang.
Gumingiti ka na lang sa audience.
Yan yung style ni Angelica.
Pag field ako.
Yes, to remember.
What I like about our games is that we also take into consideration our players and the structure of the game.
Yeah.
And how we would put like, kunyari ako, I'm not very strong with guessing, for example, or talking heads. So, sa scaffold ako with two who are kind of like, para din ma-pull up ako, right?
Totoo.
And then eventually, when I'm pretty good at it, then I can be positioned in another slot, so to speak. And we didn't do this on purpose, I think. There was just a natural curatorship to the games. And now, I'm so happy that we start playing what we're scared to play.
Because I feel like everyone wants everyone to be good at everything.
That's true. But that's hard because there's still different skill sets and
yes,
different
of course.
strengths. But why I'm saying this is because in our current shows, we have a lot of audience will vote. Right? And that's also very improvised and scary as diba? Because you don't know what you're gonna play, you don't know who you're gonna play with.
Or if you're gonna be the
Or
host.
if you're gonna be the host. And we're not all hosts. Si Aaron yun at the end, right? But Aaron's like, I wanna play na, guys. So I'm like, damn it.
I've been doing this since 2006.
And I think kaya lang yan gawin ngayon.
Yeah.
Kasi
Because of the
dati, ang
internet.
hirap mag-cast. Kasi dati ako taga-cast since 2002. Tapos meron talagang tao na hanggang diyan ka lang sa reggae. Kasi meron pang mga issue na ayaw magpapaglaro nito sa ganun. So, kailangan pa hihiwalay yung dalawang yun kasi hindi sila close.
Yun ang lalaglag ng...
May mga issue kasi.
Wag ganun eh, wag ganun.
Ngayon,
Walang
parang
may issue.
dead man na, parang oo. So kahit nag-start naman yan nung una kong ginawa yung bunutan sa quantum na yun eh. Quantum na tayo na parang, sige, mag-show tayo na
MIF.
number. Before pa nun, around
before
that time.
pa.
Na tagang, may number tapos yung audience magvo-vote kung sinong maglalaro kasi tinamad lang ako. Pero may anchor na para may laro lahat for sure. May kung nasa reggae may ganun. May at least may anchor na isa tapos kung sino yung kasama niya, bahala na si Lord.
And then now, thank you to the gift of the pandemic. Parang what we made of the pandemic. Because of course, that was a horrible curse. And the resilience of people just kind of like using technology to connect. And I think that's what we took in to enhance our playing and enhance our games.
Gumamit ng Mentimeter and stuff. Which is also because our venues are getting bigger and bigger.
And-
so it's harder to connect to the people at the back. So parang we have to think of ways to reach them and let them participate pa rin.
And also the
Kahit-
balcony.
Oo, kasi nasa balcony. So parang, alam mo, sigawan tayo. So sige, text nyo na lang.
And lovely that our playing is not just us. It's also inclusive of the tech people.
Yeah, we have invisible spit members actually who are helping us out with
Na
all the
improvisers.
visuals. Yes.
And they have to be improvisers who are kind of like from our culture of improv. Kasi
Yeah.
at least gamay nila tayo, di ba?
Our videos, a non-improviser editing that.
And we do that also. We only learn that on the spot sometimes. Like, di ba, parang, ito pala itsura nun.
Kasi naglalaro din sila Charles. Pero minsan, doon na lang niya naisip, ay, meron pala akong ganyang backdrop. Hindi ko alam.
Like in our recent show, so we have an LED screen now, and there's the beauty contest, right? Charles will take a screenshot while the person is answering the question, and at the end, post the worst looking, like, naka-ganon yung bibig.
And even Oracle, yung nakikita sila. It's just so beautiful that way. And I must say about sila, Kobe, ganyan, how they edit our games.
Yes.
It really translates to the online platform. Kasi when you watch live, there's a different vibe, there's a different energy. Now, if you just make salpak, if you just video and put it online, it's gonna be too long.
Yeah.
Kasi
Which is why we
different
didn't want to do it.
Yun yung
Diba?
apprehension before. Kasi how do you translate yung live feeling dun sa social media? So,
Especially if we all play, tas ita-tripod lang natin sa likod. Diba?
kasi naman dati, kasi gano'n lang talaga, ganyan, cellphone.
And now, and it's not just parang because Kobe learned again from our culture of improv, parang gets niya yung feel natin because you can't also manipulate it You can't not or you must honor the improvisational spirit of the playing.
Yeah, yeah.
Right? Because otherwise, hindi na-improve yun.
Exactly. And Kobe actually said that he it's his passion. He always takes it a notch further. So for our videos on Angstrap, nililinis pa niya yung audio. He adds
Para marinig talaga.
para marinig. Tapos he'll add a beat like if he feels na this had more impact. So
Meron pang parang may
idadagdag siya.
aura pa. Pag
Oo. Tapos yung izo-zoom in niya pag punchline.
Yeah.
You make me funnier, huh?
Yeah.
And it's not just the players, pati yung mga nanonood na cast sa gilid, yung mga reaction
Oh,
shots.
I know.
Hinahanap mo pa yun. Tumawa si Missy doon, nagkukunin ko yung... Diba, may ganito.
And it's so funny because I call him our invisible spit player because alam niyo bang hindi na namin ina-approve ang mga videos. Like, he's just like, oh, the next video's ready. Do you want to watch? Okay na yan. Go ahead. You know what you're doing. So,
Because some other people have tried to edit our videos and it wasn't as funny.
no.
Okay,
The reason why we are
Sorry.
making so much noise is because Spit has come to a point where we don't talk about our outfits anymore in the group chat, and we just see if we mind meld on the colors. Today, all of us are in blue. Di kami nag-usap.
And white.
Monica is in blue. She's by the window. Everyone wore blue today.
And white and kami
White and black. White, black. That's amazing. Yung tattoo.
microphones.
Microphones, black.
But yeah.
Isang oras na ba tayo? Kanina pa tayo kwento ng kwento. Hindi
Yes,
ko alam.
I think, isang oras na ba?
Hindi ko alam.
I don't
Yeah,
also
we
know.
started at 11:30.
See, we can
It's
just keep
12,
going.
12:25.
Okay, perfect. Well, you know what? I think all of you got your answers on the game origins.
Well, the idea is we hear of a game and we incorporate elements or we tweak certain things, we put in the Filipino twist to it, or we find things that are resonant with us, what does not work, what works, and then we tailor fit it to the theme of the show.
Yeah.
And I guess what excites me is that parang the more we do this, the more games we will develop ng paulit-ulit. Iba-iba, bagong elements yung included. So, walang limit.
At nakakatuwa when audiences do it because then we see also how
We see your videos. We see your
Yeah.
oracles. We see them.
how it also carries across and how you're playing,
Yes.
informs the game also. So nakakatawa din yan.
Yeah. And another thing that I personally like is when we see your videos and y'all can joke about being political na rin. Very proud of you. Very proud of you, all of you. So yan, thank you so much for listening. This has been the Game Origins episode. And my name is Aaron.
I'm Missy.
I'm Ding Dong.
I'm Angelica.
This is Tawalets with Spit. See you next time.
Spit Manila.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.